So this problem was asked in CAT 2024. It was from simple interest and compound interest problem. Let us try to simplify this. It says that an amount of rupees 10,000 is deposited in a bank A for a certain number of years. We have got no idea for how many years it has been done, at a simple interest rate of 5% per annum. And then it gets matured, the amount gets matured, and then total amount received is deposited in bank B for another 5 years at simple interest of 6% per annum if the interest received from bank A and bank B. So one thing which is pretty simple, that principal is 10,000, right? And then it is asking you to find out then the investment period in years in bank A. That has not been given to you, right? And these are the options. So what if I say that time in bank A, say it is 4 years or 3 years, 6 years, 5 years. What I'm going to do, I'm just eliminating my options. I'm not simplifying the problem. And it is being done at the rate of 5% per annum. And since it is a simple interest every year will be calculated on the principal, right? So interest will be at the rate of 5% per annum, because rate is 5% per annum. So 5% per annum for 4 years, it will become 20%. 20% of what value? 10,000. And over here it will become 15% and then 30% and then 25%, right? So interest in amount, so interest will be 2,000 here, right? And then over here it will be 1,500 and then 3,000 and then 2,500. That is what it is. That is the interest. And after interest, what is going to be the amount then? Because it has to be 10,000 plus that value. 10,000 plus this becomes 12,000 rupees. And then you're having this as 11,500 rupees and then 13,000 rupees and then 12,500 rupees. So this is what is going to be the amount. That is what is going to be the amount. Now it says that this amount gets deposited in another bank, which is bank B, at the rate of 6% per annum for 5 years. For 5 years. So it goes in bank B. It goes in bank B. And 6% into 5 is going to be 30%. So 30%. So what is going to be interest in bank B? Interest in bank B from this will be 3,600, because you need to find out 30% collectively, and over here 30%. So is going to be how much? 3,345. And then this is going to be what? 1,300 into 3, 39. And this is going to be 1,250 into 3, and that is 3,750. And then what is that you need to do? You need to find out the ratio. See, what is this problem? It says that then if the interests received from bank A and bank B are in the ratio of 10:13, 10:13, have a look at it. Have a look at it over here. Where do you have the ratio as 10:13? This is the interest over here and this is the interest over here. So this is 20:36. That ratio is 10:18. It is not 10:18. So that option number A is gone. Have a look at option number B. It is 1,500 into 3,345. You have an idea that it cannot be 10:13. Have a look at this. 3,000 and 3,900. So 3,000 and then 3,900. If you simplify, this is 30:39, or it is coming out as 10:13. So which is the right answer? Option number C is the right answer. Did I solve the problem? No, I am not solving the problem. Am I eliminating the options? Yes, I am eliminating it. और काम बड़ा सिंपल सा है. अगर आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने पे लग जाओगे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम बड़ा ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा. If you eliminate your options, this is pretty simple, right? So your approach to problem should be very simplified all the time if you aspire to go to IIMS. So I wish that you crack CAT, and go to IIMS.